Scotland. There's some patchy mist and fog around at the moment, but not everywhere. Look at this gorgeous weather watcher picture taken in Perth with the early morning sunrise reflecting on the clouds there. Now, for many of us today, it's going to be dry. There'll be a chilly wind, some scattered showers. That's after we lose this morning's rain. So in the south, where we've got the cloud and the rain, temperatures are that little bit higher, move further north into clearer skies, and there is a touch of frost around. It's only -1 in Wick and Edinburgh at the moment. So this is the area of low pressure which has been bringing the heavy rain overnight across the southwest, coupled with strong winds. The wind's coming in from a chilly direction, namely from the northeast, so it's going to be a cold day, the wind chill accentuating that cold feel. A respite tomorrow and through Wednesday as the milder air pushes in, but then Thursday, Friday and into the weekend you see a return to the colder blues. So back to this morning, the rain will clear away from the southeast, still gusty winds, possibly gales locally through the English Channel, but as that rain clears, most of us will have a dry day with some scattered showers. The showers coming into the east being driven in on the wind. You can see the strength of the gusts on the circles there, and it could actually get in as far the showers as the Midlands and East Wales later on in the day. But these are our temperatures. 4 in the north to 9 in the south, 7s and 8s along this east coast will feel more like 4s or 5s if you're in the wind. Now, through this evening and overnight, under clear skies, the temperature will fall away. We're looking at a widespread frost. And then we've got 2 weather fronts coming in from the northwest, both bringing in some cloud and some rain and strengthening winds once again. Gales across the northwest, and we're looking at some winteriness on the hills of Scotland, possibly the Pennines and the Lake District as well. But as all of this comes in, the temperature, is actually going to go up in the northwest. So these are the lowest temperatures that you'll see through the course of the night. So tomorrow, here are our 2 weather fronts. They're both sinking southwards, taking the cloud and increasingly patchy rain with them. Ahead of them, starting off with some fog first thing, from the Vale of York, Lincolnshire down into the southeast. That will lift, and then as the weather front sinks south and bump into the high pressure ridge, you'll find that the rain will turn lighter, more patchy. Won't get into the far southeast till later, but behind it, a mixture of sunshine and scattered showers, still wintry on the tops of the mountains. Temperature-wise, 7 to about 11 degrees. Then eventually these weather fronts do clear away. Tuesday night, we've got a ridge of high pressure, 2 weather fronts. The first one is a warm front, the second one is a cold front. So what's going to happen as we go through the course of tomorrow in particular is the first weather front brings in cloud and rain moving west to east. Behind it, it will turn that bit cooler, and we've almost got an action replay as we head on into Thursday. Another weather front coming in, bringing rain west to east, and even into the weekend it remains unsettled as low pressure then really does dominate. Sal and John.
Carol, thank you very much.
I would love something like that right now, John.
What would you choose?